Hello from He Said She Said Food for Thought. Tonight we're going to make fish and chips with a box beer batter and a Stella Artois is as mix and some malt vinegar for the chips. So what I've already done, I've mixed up the batter with the beer, which is here. My wife had the fish in here with the paprika, sea salt and pepper, and then we put it in there in the all-purpose flour, then dipped it in the batter mix, and then they've ended up there. And I am already doing the chips. I don't need to tell you guys how to do chips, they're just chips. There's my chips just out the fryer, so I'm going to stick the fish in now, 3 to 5 minutes I believe, and we'll see how that goes. So there we have it, fish and chips, bit of salt and vinegar on top of that, and it should be pretty good. The batter doesn't look too bad, but not like it's from a fish shop in England, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to tuck in and enjoy. Thanks for watching.